As we always do, we will start with your introduction. So, please, you first give your introduction.
My name is Astha Kumari. I am in class 6th. I study engineering classes and I live at Ladania, Madhubani in Bihar. My mother's name is Mrs. Rakhi Kumari. She is a beautician and my father.
Beautician?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
It's a nice word. Good.
And my father's name is Mr. Jitendra Kumar. He is a simple shopkeeper. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. The word you chose to use was what? Beautician for your mother, right? And this is such a nice word, and I praise you for that. Now, you please give your introduction.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Tausif Ahmed. My father's name is Tahsin Ahmed and my mother's name is Sitara Jabi. I live at Ladania Madhubani in Bihar. I read in Standard 7. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. So look, this is going to be very first time that I'm just taking interview. Okay, two persons at the same time, right? Okay. So first, I'm going to ask you some basic questions that I always do, right? I always ask basic questions, so you don't need to hesitate. So first, you tell me, what do you think about this class?
I think this class about
Let's say, I think about this class.
So this is a very good class. Here, this class has a study in English, and I like learning English. So this is very. This class has very good color combination, blue and white. And it has many of posters of drawing classes. That's all.
Okay. So look, she said she likes the color theme and all. Okay. So tell me, what do you like about your village?
My village. I like nature things and greenery about my village.
So do you think our village has a lot of greeneries?
No, but very low amount of greenery. But when rain happens,
Not in the market area, but we have greenery kind of thing, right?
But very-
in fields.
but in very low amount.
No, I mean, due to lack of rain, we are just facing some drought these days. It's not like completely drought, I mean, it will rain and it will grow crops, right?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
But when rain happened, then every plants look more pretty than before.
Okay.
But when sunlight, then nobody wants to go out to see anything.
Okay, well, that's good. That's good answer. So now, that's your turn. So, okay, so who is your favorite teacher in your school?
All teachers.
No, I mean, you can name only one. Who is your favorite teacher? Okay.
Krishna sir is my favorite teacher in my school. Because he talks with all students in very
Polite manner.
polite manner.
Politely, we can say he talks to all the students politely.
Then he talks to all the students in English.
In English. Wow.
Yeah. He study English and science.
Now he's also my favorite. If he talks in English with students, then he's also my favorite, right?
Yeah. And
He teaches what? Science and?
science and English.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay. Nice one. Okay. So who is your favorite teacher in school?
I don't have any favorite teacher, but I like many teacher in my school because they teach well.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now again your turn. So you tell me, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a doctor in my life.
In your life, wow.
Yeah.
So why do you want to become a doctor? Why not engineer? Why not anything else? Why only doctor?
Because I see many people in injured life.
Okay.
Because that's why I may I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a
Doctor.
okay. So what? Let me ask you something. Will you treat them for free?
Yeah.
Will you give them treatment for free?
Yeah.
And then how will you earn? If you treat them for free, you will not charge money. Then how will you earn?
Anyone has money, so I earn money. Anyone has no money, so I don't earn money.
Okay. So मतलब जैसे कि पैसा होगा तो देगा नहीं तो कोई बात ही नहीं. Okay, that's such a nice idea. Okay, and I really admire you for this. It's such a nice idea. And you tell me, what do you want to become in your life?
I don't have any permanent aim.
Okay, permanent aim. So what is your temporary aim?
I want to become a content creator.
Content creator on YouTube.
Yeah.
So why don't you say just simply that you want to become a YouTuber? Let's say again.
Because YouTuber word does not match with this term.
Okay, content creator. So you are going to create contents on every platform,
Yeah.
not only YouTube. But basically you are a YouTuber, right? Basically you are a YouTuber, I guess. I mean you want to be a YouTuber.
Yeah, but I don't listen any other platform name instead of YouTube.
Yeah, that's all. Okay. So yeah, such a nice aim. If you tell this to your father, then you'll be beaten so much by him.
No, I don't think.
You don't think?
Because my father don't know about this thing. And
And
first,
what if he gets to know that his son wants to be a YouTuber?
then he just cheat me, chide me,
He will
and
chide me, yes.
he will chide me, but not beat me.
Okay. So what if your father tells you not to become a YouTuber? So would you obey him? Would you
No.
follow his orders?
No, because I don't have any permanent goal.
Okay, so
That's why.
this is your temporary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So nobody can change your mind. Like you want to be a content creator.
No, if I want to change this, then I will change.
Good. So what do you think about YouTubers? What do you think about YouTubers? Should we become like this is not our tradition and culture in village. We don't become YouTuber, right? So what do you think?
I think that YouTubers has many followers, subscribers, and he earns monies from YouTube, Instagram, and
Okay, tell me, becoming YouTuber is good or not?
I don't know.
So what do you think? तुमको क्या लगता है कि यूट्यूबर बनना सही है कि गलत?
I think good.
Okay, so you think becoming YouTuber is good, right? And why do you think so? तुमको ऐसा क्यों लगता है? You understand my words, right? So I don't need to speak in Hindi, okay? Every time. So you tell me, why do you think that becoming YouTuber is good?
Because becoming YouTuber is our business. Means
Is a kind of business.
Yeah.
Yes.
means my channel is my only business. I earn money
So
from
does your father have a YouTube channel?
no Instagram channel.
Instagram channel, okay. Not YouTube channel.
No.
Okay. So somebody has told me that somebody has a YouTube channel who has got a lot of subscribers, I guess.
My father have?
Yeah, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so now next question. Let's move towards next question. So which class do you read in?
I read in 6th class.
6th class. And what after 10th? Like which is your favorite subject? Tell me, okay, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math and science and English.
Okay, and why are these three subjects your favorite?
Because I think that these subjects are very easy.
You think science, math, English very easy?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so tell me, what do you? Okay, not this question. Right now, I'm not getting any questions. Okay, so you guys have any question to ask? Okay. So where do you want to go after 10th?
I don't know.
You don't decide this. Your father decides this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you some questions. So, who is your best friend, and why is he or she your best friend?
In my school, I have a best friend. She helps me in completed my homeworks and
To complete my homework.
and she helps me in all times to helping anyone.
To help other, you can also
Yeah.
say yes.
And me and my best friend are classmates. We study together
Together, yes.
with in class. That's all.
Okay. So, do you? I mean, if she is your best friend, then you must be liking, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you like about your best friend, and what do you not like about your best friend? मतलब कि तुम्हारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बारे में तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है?
Because she helped me in all times.
Her good habits, like this. It's intelligent as you are.
Yeah.
Does he speak in English?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you guys practice in English?
At lunchtime we are.
Now, who is your best friend?
I have many friends, but not any best friend. Because I don't think if I made any best friend, but another one will consider me as a best friend.
Okay, so you don't think you need to make best friend?
Yeah, because I have many friends.
Okay, you have many friends, and all of them are like best friend.
No,
No one is like best friend. Okay, so among all your friends, who do you think is the best one? Like, तुमको कौन सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है?
I think 4 of 1 are good.
Okay, 1 of 4, like 4 में से एक ना?
नहीं, सब में से 4.
मतलब कि okay, 4 of all.
Yeah.
Okay, and can you take their names?
First is Shivam. He is my childhood friend. And second is Yuvraj,
Okay.
because he is my coaching mate. That's why he is a friend of mine.
Okay.
And the second is, and 2 are not good friends, but I consider them as my good friends.
Okay.
A name Naman Gupta and Jibes.
Okay, that's good. And in which class are they studying right now?
They are in same class.
Same class, okay. And what is the name of your best friend? You didn't tell us your name, I mean the best friend's name.
My best friend name is Ruchi.
Ruchi, okay. And she studies in the same class
Yeah.
as you study. Okay, that's good. So, okay, so can you tell me about your family? A little bit about your family? How many members are there, and how many siblings do you have?
There are 7 members in my family. I have 1 sister and 1 brother. I have grandfather, grandmother, mother and father. They are loves my sister, my brother and me.
They love all of us, as I
Yeah.
can. Okay, who do you like the most, your brother or your sister?
No anyone.
You like no one?
No.
Okay, why? Tell me. How old are they?
They are, my sisters are old.
Is
old 8 years old, and my brother is 2 years old.
2 years old. Okay.
Yeah.
So you like no one?
No.
Why? I mean, they snatch your chocolate. They snatch your chocolate.
No.
Then why do you not like them?
Yes, my sister and my brother, when I eat ice cream, chocolates, when she come and snatch my chocolates,
Okay.
ice creams.
And this is you don't like.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to share anything with them.
Yeah.
Okay. So and look, who is the most favorite to your mom? To your mom?
Most favorite, all of my sisters and brother.
Our favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. And who does your father like the most?
My father's like,
I think he likes you the most, I guess.
yeah.
Because I have seen, he comes here, he drops you here, and also comes to, pick up. So I think he loves you more than anyone, right? And you like your father?
I like my father very much.
Okay. Like who do you like the most? Your father or your mother? Obviously your father, I guess.
I like both.
No, choose one. Okay, you have to choose one. Who do you like the most? Your father or your mother?
Can't choose one.
And what if you got a situation? Okay, you have a situation to go with one, to choose one. So who would you like to choose?
My mother?
Not your father.
No.
Oh, he will be heartbroken after this, and you should have chosen your father because I think he's the one who can do anything for you, right?
Yeah.
Our father is always our superhero, right? Okay, and why do you like your mother?
Because
She gives you money, pocket money,
no.
money to eat ice cream.
Yeah.
That's why you like your mother? Okay, that's nice. Okay, so who do you like the most, your mother or your father?
My mother.
Yeah, always yes. So why do you like your mother?
Because I don't talk well with my father.
You don't talk so much.
Yeah.
And why do you not talk?
I don't know.
Oh, wait. Let me tell you. So if you don't talk to your father, so it doesn't mean that you like your mother. I mean, why do you like your mother?
Because my mother do many things for me. If I speak,
It means your father doesn't do anything for you.
my father also do.
Yeah.
But my father, I don't know why I don't like my father.
Okay, but you like your mother.
Yeah.
Okay, and you also like your mother.
Yeah.
And I also like my mother. I don't like my father. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, but I mean, this is other thing. Okay. So now, this was such a nice conversation with you all guys. So say thank you,
Thank you.
and you too.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all.